Want to join the conversation on Threads, Instagram's new text-based app? In this video, I will show you how to create your very own Threads account in minutes. Let's get started. The first thing you want to do is launch open Play Store. Now search Threads. Then you want to tap on the install option. Once the application has been installed, simply launch it open. When Threads launches, you will see a welcome screen. Now Threads uses your Instagram credentials, so you want to enter your Instagram credentials over here. If you do not have an Instagram account, you will not be able to create a Threads account. Make sure that you have created an Instagram account. Now enter the username and password. Now tap on continue with Instagram. This is going to import your username, profile photo and followers list automatically. Threads will suggest your Instagram username. Now you can enter bio, enter links. After that is done, you want to browse the recommended topics and people to follow. Once that is done, you're all set up. You will now land on your home feed where you can start writing your first post. And that's it. Your Threads account is live and ready for you to join the chat. If you found this video useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.